All right, let's go ahead and get rid of this tacky gold drain tub set. Now we're gonna switch it out with this chrome polished bathtub kit. I'm gonna use my little bathtub drainer remover here and take out the old one. I'm gonna use a little plumber's putty around my new chrome base, okay? Doesn't matter how much you use, because once you tighten it, the excess will come off. So we're gonna go ahead and screw it in as much as we can by hand, but then we're gonna use our tool to make sure that it's nice and tight and in there snug. That way no water is leaking. Then we're going to go ahead and grab our little stop plug, and you're going to put it down as far as you can, as close to the drain, and start screwing it in. That way it'll lock into place. This is something easy and simple. This is actually my first time doing it, and I did it all within 35 minutes. Next, you're going to take your little excess plate here for the drain water, and you're going to go ahead and unscrew these. Some of these are a little bit longer, but they've got two little holes that you're going to insert the new ones into, as you can see here. You want to do each screw one at a time, a little bit on each side, and then go to the other one. This is going to ensure that no plumbing parts behind the bathtub move or shift while you're adding this on. As you can tell here, I'm doing one side, going to the other, tightening that one a little bit more, and then let's look at the finished product. This is absolutely gorgeous, completely updates the bathtub, super simple, easy to do, first timer here, and I was able to do it. Now we got to change the rest out.